Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of squinting at your Amazon Fire HD 10 screen in bright sunlight? Well, I've got a game changer for you today. Let's dive into this must-have accessory that'll revolutionize your tablet experience. Introducing the Anti-Glare Screen Protector, specifically designed for the latest Amazon Fire HD 10 13th Gen 2023 release. This Tupac wonder is about to become your tablet's new best friend. Say goodbye to those annoying reflections and hello to crystal clear viewing, no matter where you are. But wait, there's more. Not only does this screen protector reduce glare, but it also guards against scratches and fingerprints. It's like giving your Fire HD 10 a superhero shield. Installation is a breeze, and you'll barely notice it's there, except for the amazing difference in your viewing experience. Don't let glare hold you back from enjoying your Fire HD 10 to the fullest. Grab this anti-glare screen protector now and take your tablet game to the next level.